Do we recognize the fact that God is ultimately the incredible manufacturer and we are his product? That God is more committed to your success than even you are. He's committed to it. He'll give you a guarantee about it. Now here's the thing. With my Apple phone, if I have a problem, I can't just send it anywhere. I have to send it to what Apple calls an authorized dealer. Someone who's been authorized to work on this product. Because if I send it to my guy up the street and ask him to fix it, I'll void my warranty. So God says that when you find defects in your life, you must bring your life back to an authorized dealer. Now, see, there's a lot of dealers in the world that you can go to, but all of them are not authorized. Our authorized dealer is Jesus Christ, who has promised you that when you run into some defects, when you have some problems, when you have some issues, bring it back to me. I will protect, I will repair, I will restore, I will replace, and I'll put you right back in the place where you were supposed to be. See, some of us try to go to other dealers. We try to go to drugs, we try to drink, we go to sex, we go to relationships, we go to other jobs, we go to money. These are not authorized dealers. They cannot repair your broken product. They will just void your warranty.